Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Data Learners, our YouTube channel. So today we will continue to our SQL tutorial number 2. We already have uploaded number 1. If you have not seen, we will provide the link here. So let's start with the second tutorial for the SQL for data analysis. So in this today we will cover uh, from the database. We will select those product and product name and description and dealer price where the price is greater than $20. So let's see how we can do that. Let's start. This is our view, or this is our SQL language where it says dim. We have to write select dim dot product English name, and then we have a description as product and description. Then we need a dealer price from dimension product where product English name is not null and product English description is not null, and price is greater than uh, 20. Let's do that. So here we are again in SQL Server Management Studio, and we have our database. As we already mentioned, we will be using throughout these tutorials. We will be using Microsoft uh, sample database, Adventure Works, Data Warehouse, DW2019. So here we will write down our view or query. We have already copied it. Select product name, and then it concatenate with the, we have already discussed concatenation function in our first video. So we concatenate product name and description as the product and description. Then we selected the dealer price from product table where product English name is not null and product English description is as well not null, and price is dealer price is 20. Let's run. Okay. So here we have all these prices are greater than 20. You see? Okay. Now we will use is greater than. Now we'll use the between uh, two ranges of prices. Select those products which where the price falls between $700 and $800. For example, here we have some 800 and 700. So let's go there, and so here we have between 700 and 800. Okay. So you see now we have the prices. We selected dim product name plus English description as product and description, dealer price from dimension product where product English name is not null, and product dot description is not null. Dim product dot and the dealer price between 700 and 800. Okay. Okay. So we have that result. These are very important, just small statements where for those who are working in the data related fields, these are very handy to pull the data and have these things quickly find out the data between certain ranges of prices or some other things. You can put some other give some other range like sizes or something like that. So let's move to our next query. Select the name of product that start with P or start with S. Let's copy. So here we say select product name and concatenate with together with the description, and the column name would be the product and description, and then and the dealer price dim from dimension product, where product name starts with like. Always use the like operator, not greater than or equal to. When we have a text, we want to show that we want a product name starting with the P, like, and then we have two commas, or we want these products product dot English name like S. Okay, let's run that. Okay, so we see we have products with S and P. All of these products from the database are here, but you see there are some null values, and if we want to remove these null values, here is a very important part of the SQL language which I would like to very emphasize here, because if we want to remove these null values, we cannot simply add is not null. If, for example, if we just add and dimension dot product name is not null, and dimension dot description is not null, and also dim product or DAL dealer price is not null. Now run that. I'm doing it because just to highlight some important aspect, because we are using here or clause. You see or, so or means either this product starting with the P or a product starting with the S, nothing else. And these columns should not be null, the price and this column. So let's run. We will find some, even then we mention here, but we are still finding some null values even writing that. So here I would like to emphasize, because of the or clause, we will put it here, we will cut it down from here, or then when we use or, we will, for example, we will write down here or clause. We cannot use over there now, because there are some other conditions we need to meet with the or clause. So with every or clause, we have to repeat all the other remaining portions. So here we write down that dimension product English name like P, and these or product name like S, and we will have to, we want this criteria as well. These should not be null. Okay. So you will see what it will give. Now we have no null values. So that's the important point here. Whenever you use or clause, or, if it's simply two products, then we can just write it down here. But if we want to add conditions, then we have to, every or clause there, we have to put the condition with this or clause. This query has become lengthy, and that we can try something else, but it's just to highlight that we use that. Let's try something else. Let's do that. Let's put these in a bracket. You see, now we get the same result. So either we will use the brackets, because with the brackets, as you know, this will cover both of these two conditions, P and S, or let's remove these conditions. I'm just trying to uh, like my goal is to elaborate some of the requirements of using various clauses, in this. So we'll, along the way, we will highlight other clauses also. How do you use these? So here today our focus is on the or clause. Let's do that. Now we will remove these. Let's put the, now we have 27 results. Let's put the brackets, see how many results we get. So we have 7 results. Let's add the columns here. Let's remove this one. Okay. You see, P has lot of nulls, and as well as S has lot of nulls. But if we say not null, if we look at the not null values, only P is the product start with P is only one product where there are no nulls. Otherwise, there are nulls with the product name. So back to our uh, topic, we can just put these and clauses again. Okay. Okay. Now you see we have same result, 14 with null clauses. Let's remove that and check if we are right. We didn't make any mistake. Now query, execute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 results where there is no null. So let's put that. So there are 14 results where there are no nulls. So the point here is, whenever we use or clause, we must put the bracket signs and then these class. Or if we don't want to put the bracket signs, then this query will become very lengthy. As I already showed you, we have to repeat with every or clause all of these conditions. So best way is to enclose it with the brackets, and write down other further conditions like not null and so on. So that's it for our Let's look at what else we have. We completed this one. We completed this. So this is our tutorial second, and I hope that will be very informative, and it will help you learn more in the coming lessons. So thank you very much, and have a good day.